In this video, learn how to configure modules and apply licenses for the lightweight monitoring system. The user first needs to navigate to Unmanaged Nodes, where each node appears upon their initial connection to the configured node manager. Clicking the Manage option moves an unmanaged node to newly managed nodes. Clicking on the configuration icon leads to the node configuration. In Node Details, the admin must assign a name to move the node to the managed state. The admin must apply a license to enable module installation. Once selected, the license is applied to the node. Before selecting the module, the admin needs to select the interface, Ethernet framework in this case. The instance name must be assigned to the interface before proceeding. To install a module, the user must select a module, add an instance, and assign it to the framework. In the Running Config section, the user must select a run method. In this example, the admin chooses the periodic run method, allowing them to set a cron tab format for scheduling. The measurements are set to run every 3 minutes. Configuration is complete when a green checkmark appears.